Today I'm going to share with you a dish from my favourite meal of the day, brunch. We're going to make a Bhut Jolokia Shakshuka dish. So we're going to need a diced white onion, some spinach, freshly chopped garlic, a red and yellow pepper, 2 large eggs, tomato puree, passata and chunky chopped tomatoes. Of course our Bhut Jolokia to give it that spice. And we're going to top with fresh coriander and feta. I'm going to serve on the side with some wholemeal toasted pittas. Start off with some oil and add your onions and your peppers.
When you have nice soft peppers, add in your garlic and your tin of chopped tomatoes. Then a good helping of passata to make it really saucy. Then it's time for our Bhut Jolokia sauce. Add to taste because this bad boy is seriously hot. Wilt in your spinach. Use tomato puree to thicken your sauce and then simmer for 5 more minutes. Cooking time to this point will be 15 minutes and get your oven preheated ready for the next stage. Once that's done, I'm going to decant into 2 small dishes, but if you have an oven-proof pan, you can go straight from pan into oven. Make a well in the centre, then crack in your egg, pop in the oven for 10 minutes on around 190 degrees. When 10 minutes is up, take out and crumble over your feta and pop back in the oven for the final 5. Don't forget your pittas too.
So, brunch is served. Baked shakshuka with wholemeal pittas.